Right here's Buddy. He thinks he's a hen. Lays imaginary eggs. But yet he's got 23 hens to take care of. I got 5 roosters. But he'll scratch and cluck and all that, and then get up and look underneath him when he's done. But he was raised. He was raised by that one right over there, the gold one. Like I said, she's been a tough old bird. She's been attacked and several times by a coon. She was very docile. And then the coon kind of changed all that. Well, lay your egg, buddy. Lay your egg. But yeah, he'll set like he's laying an egg, and then he'll get up and look under him and then walk off. So I'm a specialty red. 2-year-old. Ooh, what is it? You didn't like that, did you? Oh, fussy. Go get him. He's getting you hens. He's getting you girls. He's getting your girls. Make one of the chickens squawk. Just flush them and then make it, because I was wanting Buddy here to get angry. Well, bring her over here. What is it, buddy? Alright, I'm gone. He ain't gonna lay his egg. You're not gonna lay your egg, are you, buddy? Where's that other one crowing at? Where's he at? Oh, I see him. Okay.